Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is really fun. It's really fun. I kind of was playing around with makeup. I thought it was really it's a really easy tutorial basically for a zombie look, a glam zombie. So what that means is just you'll look like a zombie but without all the blood, like the prosthetics that people use, and then they make blood come out and stuff. No, because it's gonna be very easy, very entry level. So yeah, you'll look like a zombie, but with makeup on, so with lipstick, with eyeshadow, lashes, but you're a zombie. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna get started with some primer. This is the Leaves of Water Base Miracle Primer. I really love this one. It's really minimizes pores, and that's also what it says it does. So I really like this one. I'll apply this mostly on my forehead where I have some creasing going on from frowning too much, I guess. And here where I also have a lot of pores going on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this palette. I just basically grabbed all of the greens and browns that I have just for the face. The greens that I felt like worked the best for me were in this palette. It's a bit messy, but basically I'm going to be working with this green, and I think I'm using a little bit of these yellows as well in there. It doesn't really matter because, you're a zombie. How difficult is it gonna get, right? So I'm literally just going to put this eyeshadow on top of the primer. And that's what we're gonna do. This is about as green as I'm gonna go for now. Then I'm going to grab, let's see, some brown. I think I use this one. So this is the Jaclyn Hill palette, Ring the Alarm. I'm gonna use this brown to kind of create some shadows and all that good stuff. Really, with this kind of makeup, it's just like have fun. It's like it doesn't have to be perfect, it's Halloween, whatever. Just kind of have fun with it. Basically everywhere you want to create some shadow, this is where I'm going to put the brown shadow, and kind of blotches everywhere too, right? So in some random places, because you're dead. So then I'm going to grab a little bit of a bigger brush, and we're going to contour with this color as well. Down the neck as well, obviously. Depends what you would wear or whatever, how far down you want to go. But I'm just gonna create a little bit of shadow on my neck. Feeling a little bit more green. I'm just gonna go back into this palette. And I also want to put some brown like near the nose, so you know, like find that, you know, that bone structure of your nose, I guess. So I'm really gonna go in on the cheekbones. You wanna make them look really hollow. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. So to move on, I'm going to do eyebrows. And for that, I'm going to use the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the color black. I know black is obviously not my color, but it stands out more. Right. Now to blend that out. Oh my god, it looks so ridiculous, really. Okay. I'm actually going to take some of that brown that I was using for my face and kind of go over it and kind of blend it out. I know it still looks pretty extreme, but trust me, once the eyes are on everything, the look, it won't look that bad. So, to continue, I'm going to grab that same Jack and Hill palette, and I'm going to grab Framed and put it in crease. After that, I'm also going to go in with this orange and also apply that in the crease above the color that we just applied. Now I'm going to cut the crease a little bit. A little bit, I mean just the middle. There we go. Let that dry a little bit. So then I'm going to grab a flat brush. I'm going to get, where is it now? I'm going to grab the Army Gorgeous palette and we're going to use this and we're going to make it wet. So obviously now we're going to blend that a little bit with some other colors. So I'm actually going to grab Lolly and put it in the inner corner and blend that with the white. Until you feel like it's nicely blended. And then I'm going to grab Siren, just this one, and put that on the outer corner and blend it with the white. That one I'm not going to wet because it's really just to blend it up a little bit. And then for the under, I am going to grab, let's see, I'm going to grab Framed again. And we're going to go pretty low with that. And then we're going to apply some eyeliner. That's what it's called. I'm also going to line the under eye with some black liner. And grab some more VIP in a small brush and just pop that in the inner corner. So the eyes are done. Now we need some highlight. So for highlight, we're going to use this Annabelle Perfect Glow because I want it to be more of a icy highlight. We don't want to go gold. Of course, if that is what you prefer, then you should do what you want. And grab this. Oh, we're hitting pan. We're hitting the pan. We're just going to highlight as we usually would. Okay, so I will go apply some lashes off camera and I'll be right back. And I'm going to apply this liquid lipstick first in the middle, and then we're going to go outwards and blend it with the black. There we go. Sorry, this is another highlighting moment. I wasn't highlighting. So after that, I would say I'm going to set my face. This is the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. So yeah, this is the look, guys. I hope you kind of like that, and I hope it's like I think it's pretty easy. So I hope you guys have fun doing this. so that was it for this video, and I hope you guys liked this. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, press that notification button. Any suggestions are always welcome in the comments, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.